Hi guys, this is Prasad from PressWeb. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Weblogic, create a domain, and start AdminServer in less than a minute. For this, I will be using a custom script which I have created for this purpose. So let's get on with it. So this is the custom script that I will be using to install WebLogic, create a domain, and also start the admin server. So let's go. So you can keep an eye on the timing over here. So now it is creating a domain. Domain has been created and it has attempted to start the admin server. So as you can see, it's less than a minute. And now I'll see if the admin server has been started. Indeed, it has been. I'll just log into the admin server just to show you. This is my domain. Yeah, currently one admin server is configured. Health is okay, state is running. All right, so guys, that's about it for this video. I will be sharing a link to download this script and the associated file in the description of this video. It will be a GitHub link, and I'll be talking about this script in more detail in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.